Here is the Thumper Spoon, and I want to talk to you a little bit about where I like to fish it. For me, being a finesse flutter spoon with a ton of action, I like to fish it especially in those clear water situations. When fish are more visually feeding, this thin brass profile has a nice maple leaf fall to it. It really entices those visual type bites. But that being said, it also has this kicker blade, which makes it super loud. So dirty water situations, it can shine as well. In the dirtier water, I like to fish it a little bit more compact, where clear water you're making those larger flutters. But really versatile spoon. It is thin brass, so for me it shines in little shallow water situations. If you are fishing in that deeper water, it's going to take some more time to get down there, but it could be worth it because sometimes you need that little extra action and flutter to get those fish to bite.